Well, we're continuing our look at skis here at Slide with Elan, and it seems that we've been talking about carving skis for so long now, we just think all skis are carving skis. You may not have realised it was Elan who first coined the term for the first ever carving ski. That was a long, long time ago, and since then they've been pushing the boundaries on what skis can do and how they're made. We've seen a left and a right ski previously from Elan on models like the Ripstick, but you're now going to see left and right skis on pretty much all of the range. So what makes a left ski and what makes a right ski? Well, it's all about the profile. We've got this Amphibio Profile. You have on one side, on the inside edge, a traditional camber. That gives you grip. So on the inside edge where you want the grip, you get the grip. On the outside edge of this left ski, you have rocker, so easy turn initiation. And it's obviously the reverse on the right-hand ski. Combined with that change of profile from a rocker to a camber, you've also then got a stiffer wood on the inside and a softer wood on the outside. And you can't really see it unless you kind of look right down there, and you can see a little tilt in the thicker wood on the inside and the thinner, softer wood on the outside. Then you combine that with a metal sheet on the underside, but then a metal sheet on the top side, which only runs down the stiffer side under the foot plate and then on the stiffer side to the tail. So it's all about making a ski that is super stable on the inside, but super easy to initiate the turn. And as I said at the start of all of this, this was the brand that designed the carving ski first, and they've kind of put themselves back in prime time position with a range of exactly the same name. So the prime time range then is all about piste carving, piste cruising, putting all that technology in one package. So you've got the Amphibio Profile, the stiffer wood on the inside, the softer wood on the outside, rocker on that outside edge, camber on that inside edge, solid edge grip, easy turn initiation on a ski that is designed to be ripped around on the piste. And as we look at the branding behind us here, all about a youthful, excitable, fun piste carving ski. This one then is the one that you'll probably be seeing in the stores mostly around the UK, the 44 plus, and in a 172 centimetre length. It's 74mm underfoot, so it's 74mm wide there, and it'll give you a 14-metre turn radius, which is really friendly and really easy, sitting in that sweet spot between giant slalom and slalom. So take a look in the stores this winter for Elan with their Amphibio Profile and their left and right skis, and in particular this Primetime range.